Hi, this is Joshua, Inside Account Manager with Presco Products. I want to show you our new custom art interface. It's a tool we designed to help you close your customers faster. Please stay tuned for a tutorial.
To start designing, click over here on Get Started. We will click on that, and this is going to lead you to our product selection. You can see we have 5x8 marking flags, 2x3, and 4x5. So for our test sample, we will just grab a 5x8 marking flag. We can then select our color. We can either pick from these colors right here, or we can come over here and use our drop-down menu and select a color. When we're ready, we can hit Start Designing. If you already have a flag design that is completely designed and ready to go, you can simply upload it right here and then submit it where it says Submit Design. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will assume you do not have a design and you'd like to start designing. So we're going to click on the Start Designing button. This is going to take us to the interface where we can see our flag right here. This is our palette board over here where we can add text, add some art. We can swap for a different item if we decide to go with a different flag, and we can change our ink color. So let's start by adding some text. We will just do the old testing. And you can see that this appears in our default black text, which does not look good on a blue flag. So we're going to come over here to ink color, and we're going to select white ink. That will change it immediately. We can go back to text, click on our text that we've put there, and we can change our size. We can go down here and select from a multitude of different fonts if we want to. And then you can do things like move it to the center of the artboard or even put effects on it. For example, we'll put a nice little curve on here. We notice that that's not too readable. It's going up very sharp, so we can use our shape settings and make it up very slight, for example. Let's make it a little bit bigger here. And again, we can snap it to the center with this. Okay. Now let's move on to adding some art. Let's say we want to add a tree or something. We can cruise over here to Nature, grab a tree, and you'll notice it immediately turns it to the same ink color that you've chosen. We drag it where we want to drag it, and then make it as big or small as we'd like to make it. We can also crop our tree. So if we come over here to Crop Art, you'll notice that this will pop up a window here, and we can just drag and select an area that we'd like to crop. Just scroll down if you need to get more of it. We'll just crop the upper part of that tree. Hit the crop button there, and it will take care of that and crop it for you. You can at that point make it bigger if you like, center it again, however you want to do it. That's a little too big, so we'll just shrink it down just a hair and snap it to the center again. When you're done with your flag, you can simply save your flag like this. If you are already registered with our site, you will simply put your username in and your password in, and you'll be ready to go. If you are a new user, simply click here, fill out your name here, your email address, and your account number and store name. You will be getting your account number from your account representative. This is a private account number, so you shouldn't share this with anybody else. And the point of us doing this account number to validate your account is so that only you may use this art interface and actually order something. This is to protect you as our distributor, to make sure that clients aren't ordering from you and then going back on their own and creating things. So your account number will be specific to you. You will only need it one time, and then you will be able to log in with your username and password. Under store name, you'll write your store name here. And your name, obviously, is your sales representative name and your phone number. And then simply click on Continue. If your account number is correct, it will validate your account, and you will be able to save your item and submit it. If it is not correct, you will see this right here. Account number cannot be empty or account number cannot be validated, in which case just give us a shout and we'll be happy to assist you.
Thanks, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions at all, we're always here to help.